You are killing your progress with sit-ups. If you have that stubborn lower belly pooch that just won't go away no matter how many reps you do, sit-ups are not just useless, they are likely making your stomach look bigger. It's frustrating, right? You feel the burn, you put in the work, but when you look in the mirror, the lower bump is still there, maybe even more pronounced. Look, the problem isn't that you aren't working hard enough, it's that you are fighting basic anatomy. In this video, we are going to fix your mechanical error, turn off the biological triggers, keeping that fat locked in, and replace those wasted reps with the exact movements that actually flatten your abdominal wall. Here is the cold, hard reality. Sit-ups primarily target the rectus abdominis, the six-pack muscle that runs up the front. But when you have lower belly fat, building that top layer without fixing the foundation is like building a brick wall behind a pillow. It just pushes the pillow forward. You are literally training your stomach to protrude. Even worse, sit-ups heavily recruit your hip flexors. Since you likely sit at a desk or in a car all day, your hip flexors are already tight. When you shorten them more with sit-ups, they pull your pelvis forward into an anterior pelvic tilt. Imagine your pelvis is a bucket of water. This tilt tips the bucket forward, spilling your internal organs and lower belly fat out the front. You aren't fat, you are structurally pushing your belly out. But before I give you the replacement exercises, you need to understand the lifestyle villain that is secretly destroying your progress. I see you in the gym. You do a set of leg raises, and then what do? You grab your phone. You sit there, hunched over, doom scrolling for 3 minutes, right? Here is why that is killing you. When you rest that long and let your mind check out, your heart rate drops too low, and you lose the metabolic demand of the workout. But worse, that hunch, that tech neck posture, actually shuts down your deep core muscles. You are literally training your belly to stick out every time you check a text. Stop fake resting. Keep the intensity high and your posture tall. Now let's talk about the biology for a second, because this part will make you feel smart. Why is lower belly fat so stubborn? It's not just calories, it's receptors. Fat cells in your body have two types of receptors, alpha 2 and beta 2. Think of beta receptors as the burn trigger and alpha receptors as the lock. The fat on your lower belly is loaded with alpha 2 receptors, which makes it chemically resistant to being burned for energy. And do you know what locks those alpha receptors down even tighter? Cortisol, stress. If you are sleeping 6 hours a night and drinking 4 coffees to survive, your body thinks you are in a famine. It floods with cortisol, which signals your body to store visceral fat deep in the abdomen to protect your organs. You can't crunch away a hormonal signal that says we are in danger. So how do we actually fix this? We need to stop lifting the torso and start stabilizing the pelvis. The first non-negotiable move is the dead bug, but 90% of people do it wrong. Lie on your back, arms and legs up. Now take your hand, slide it under your lower back, and crush your hand into the floor with your spine. Do not let that pressure go. Now slowly extend one leg. If your back lifts off your hand even a millimeter, you have failed the rep. That arch in your back is your deep abs turning off and your hip flexors taking over. Reset. Crush your hand again. That shake you feel when you fight to keep your back down, that is your transverse abdominis, your body's natural corset, finally waking up. Finally, combine this with the stomach vacuum. Do this in the morning on an empty stomach. Exhale all the air out of your lungs, and then, without inhaling, suck your belly button backward toward your spine as hard as you can. Hold that for 10 to 15 seconds. You are physically training your waist to be smaller. It's uncomfortable, it's weird, but it works. Remember, you can't spot reduce fat with exercise alone, but you can create the structural and hormonal environment for it to leave. Prioritize sleep to lower cortisol, unlock those alpha 2 receptors, and train the deep core to vacuum seal your midsection tight. If this explanation helped you understand why your previous workouts weren't working, please like the video. It tells us to keep making these deep dive, science-backed guides for you. And I want to know specifically, when you try to do leg raises or ab exercises, do you feel the burn in your stomach or in your lower back? Tell me in the comments, because that answer determines exactly what you need to fix next.